What's up, loves? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Rashana and today I'm back with another hair video. Today this hair is from West Kiss Hair. Everything about them will be in the description box down below. This is their frontal and bundle set, and can I just say I am loving it. So I'm going to be installing this hair. You guys are going to see how I lay and slay my wigs. And I'm so ready to get into this video, so let's get into the video. So this is what the hair is going to look like when you first receive it. It's just going to come in this cute little red and gold bag that says West Kiss Hair. And then inside you get the 3 bundles of 22 inches. And yes, y'all, straight Brazilian hair. You gotta love it. Look at that. It's just gorgeous, okay? And now here's an up close of the weft so you guys can see how thick the hair is. Now moving on to the frontal, it is 18 inches and it is also a Brazilian straight. Guys, this frontal is so beautifully pre-plucked. Let me show you guys. It is just, I know it's gonna look bomb on me. Like, look at the pre-made baby hair already. You can just see it through the lace, and the lace is super transparent. So I fell in love with this frontal immediately. And then inside the bag, it also came with a cute little necklace. And then it also came with some more information about West Kiss Hair, all their social medias, and then some tips that are going to help you tremendously. So I definitely like that. Inside, it just has the hair care, showing you how to wash your hair, you know, so you don't make any mistakes. So in the next clip, I'm going to be showing you guys how I install the wig. Now let's get into the styling process. So today I'm going to be testing out this new adhesive. It's called Chic Bold. Or Chic Bold. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's Chic Bold. But I'm going to be trying it out. I've heard that it's really good and it's only $29.99, guys. So here I'm just double checking to see that the lace that I cut off camera matches the ball cap method. I did use the ball cap method for this video. And now taking a makeup brush and the Chic Bold glue. So now I'm just applying the glue right in between my cap and my forehead. If you guys can see, I feel like that's the perfect place for my forehead because I kind of have like a super small forehead. And as you guys can see, this glue, you don't really need a lot. A lot goes a long way, but I did use a fair amount for this video. This is my first time ever using this glue. I did look up a couple of reviews on it, and what I did here is that you only have to use 1 layer, which is amazing. Usually, you'd have to use like 3 layers of like Ghost Bond or like, you know, Bold Hold, but this, you only need 1 layer. So this is really exciting for me. So when the glue turns clear, that means that it is tacky and you are ready to put on your lace frontal. So once again, I'm just lining everything up, and this was actually very self-explanatory, very easy to do. All I had to do was lay the lace exactly where I put the adhesive, and bam, like there you go. I just pressed it down with like my finger, or maybe not your finger because you have a lot of oils on your finger, maybe like the back of a comb, or like, it doesn't matter. The makeup brush, like you could literally just pat down the lace to make sure it's secure. And the glue stuck right away. I was actually really surprised. So now I'm just finding my middle part and I'm just parting my hair so I can begin to style it. So one thing I really liked about this frontal is that it was pre-plucked. So as you guys can see, it was really easy to get to the lace and really just like push the lace into the glue to make sure that everything sticks. And this glue sticks magically, okay? So I definitely feel like this frontal and this glue is a perfect match. So now let's get into styling this hair using my Maximum Shine Wave Mousse. This is actually my first time using it. I was really excited to try it because I heard that it was good. And what I like to do with all mousses, regardless, is I like to lay down my wigs. I do not want to look like I have a helmet on my head. So basically I just take some mousse and I just put it all on the top of my head so that it can lay it and it can just form the hair exactly where I want it to be. So now fixing my middle part one more time because you gotta make sure that your part is on fleek. I'm just gonna make sure that everything's good. I like to comb out the hair once I apply the mousse. It's totally optional, but it's just a step I really like to do. Now once I applied my mousse, I'm just going to be using my curling one to really lay the hair down. What I like about this is that it gets rid of any flyaways and it really just tames the hair. So as you guys can see, you can see the difference a little bit from the other side versus this side that I'm working on. It just really calms down the hair. So I'm doing the same thing to the other side. I would say take your time with this step. You do want to make sure that you mold the hair into whatever section you want it to be in. You don't want your hair looking uneven, and you also don't want your hair to be not laid. So this is a very important step. So now let's get into the specs about this hair. One thing I really liked about this hair was the frontal. The frontal was 18 inches and then the bundles were 22, and it came off in like a layered effect, but it actually looked really cute. Now, as soon as I took the hair out the bag, it was super duper soft, and it stayed that way throughout the entire process, no matter how many products I would put in it. So it's very easy to manage. It came pre-plucked like I said earlier, and I absolutely love it. I did not bleach the knots on the frontal. If you guys were wondering, I stopped doing that. And especially with transparent laces like on this frontal, you don't even need to bleach your knots. So as you can see, this step is super repetitive. You're just going to keep on doing the same thing because like I said, this is a crucial step in the whole process. You want to make sure that your hair is laid, so I like to take my time on this. So I went ahead and did my baby hairs off camera, and look guys, this is just a look by itself. I haven't even put any other products in the hair other than mousse, and it looks so fabulous and so shiny, and it is so soft, you guys. But I'm going to go ahead and add some more products. So going in with my coconut miracle oil, this is like the perfect product to put in your hair for like the last product. It's gonna keep your hair shiny, smelling good, and soft for the rest of the day. So I definitely recommend this step. You could just look at how much it enhances the hair. The hair was already looking amazing before, but once I added this product, it just came alive. So I absolutely love this product, you guys. It smells so good. So look how that looks, guys. That's so, ooh, it's so pretty. So what I'm doing right now is I'm working the product through the ends of the hair too, because what a lot of people forget to do is to add product to the end of your hair, because you don't want your hair breaking or anything like that. And guys, that is it for this video. This is the finished look. I absolutely love it. Everything about West Kiss hair will be in the description box down below. The direct bundle and frontal set that I got will also be in the description box down below. Make sure you guys go check them out. You won't regret it. They have a bunch of different things on their website that you guys will definitely enjoy, so definitely go check it out. And I recommend the Chic Bold glue. It really does work, and I like it more than Ghost Bond actually. So I love if you watch till the end, and I'll see you guys in my next video.